Are you using an Axis Bank Forex card and wondering how to log in online to check your balance, reload funds, or track transactions? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the Axis Forex card login process step by step so you can access your card anytime, anywhere. The Axis Bank Forex card is a prepaid foreign currency card ideal for international travelers. It allows you to load multiple currencies, swipe securely abroad, and even shop online on international platforms. But to fully manage your card, you need to log into your Axis Forex card portal. How to log into Axis Bank Forex card online? To begin with, go to the official Axis Forex card portal. Once there, follow these steps. Click on the login option at the top right corner. Select cardholder login. Enter your 16-digit Forex card number and web password. Click login to access your dashboard. If you're logging in for the first time, your web password is usually your email ID registered with Axis Bank. You can reset it if required. What you can do after login: check balance. Know your remaining balance in any currency. Reload your card. Top up instantly through online banking. View transactions. Track where and how your card was used. Block or unblock card. Stay secure if your card is lost. For issues with your Axis Bank login Forex card, visit https://www.axisbank.com/help-support. Alternatively, you can also log in using Axis Bank's internet banking platform if your card is linked with your Axis Bank account. Just head over to https://retail.axisbank.co.in. Why choose Axis Forex card? The Axis Forex card comes with benefits like emergency card replacement, free insurance, and 24/7 customer care support. It's one of the most trusted cards for students, tourists, and business travelers alike. So the next time you want to manage your card, just log in and enjoy complete control with the Axis Bank Forex card login portal. Travel smarter and bank smarter with Axis.